Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Sally. This is Mack. Wow.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mack, I can't believe you're here.
Is that Cruz Ramirez?
Oh, yeah.
Sherry.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine! Serpentine!
Who is that? Ramon. Wow.
Ooh, Ramon. Mama ain't seen you that low.
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Tried slamming him into the wall.
Who is that? Tomica. Wow.
Dadgum.
Gatling gun. Request acknowledged.
Oh my god, it's smoky. Yeah.
Lesson 1. You're old.
He said you're old and
I heard him. You'll never be as fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Who is that? Tomica. Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Hey, really? I'll do it real quick. You're making me uncomfortable.
Tagger it.
Tagger it.
Tag.
Tagger it. Tag.
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement.
Cruz Ramirez. Whoa, Dr. Feelbad. Yeah.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, this is Red.
Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
Life could be.
This is Miss Frieder. Wow!
County Unified School District!
This is Frightening McQueen. Wow!
Now what do we do?
I'll destroy you.
What? No!
I saw it on the TV.
How about I destroy you? Then...
Nobody'll believe that.
Wow! Tormentor! Yeah! Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
This black pavement, these yellow lines are pulling us into the night.
This is Miss Frieder! Wow!
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection! Oh, boy.
Whoa! Dr. Feelbad! Yeah!
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Wow! Tormentor! Yeah!
Here comes a nice fresh corn.
Pour it on.
Oh, you got it.
This is Jackson Storm! Wow!
Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right?
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Lightning McQueen, yeah, good job.
This is Frightening McQueen! Wow!
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMissile.
Oh, this is Red! Wow!